जगार पातळीले कोरोना व्हायरस संकटाक लागून लॉकडाऊन जाहीर केल्ल्यान गोंय बॅडमिंटन संघटनेचे प्लॅन अडकून पडल्यात अशी माहिती सचिव संदीप हेबळेन दिली.
had planned on starting badminton at places where we've never ventured before, such as in Nabilim or Savalwada. But due to this coronavirus outbreak, the plans have not materialized. Similarly, some of our top players are also facing a lot of difficulties. Players such as Tanisha, Anura, Pranjal, Ashwan Gautam, Anjana Kumari, these are top players who are practicing in academies, but the academies are also shut down. But these players are now being guided through online sessions by their respective coaches, by their respective trainers.
पूण येता ते नॅशनल गेम्साची तयारी करपा हेतान GBN लॉकडावना पयलींच पावल उखलिल्ल्यान प्लेयर आपआपलें ट्रेनिंग आपल्या परीन करीत आसात अशें हेबळे म्हणटा.
Prior to the lockdown, we had brought ex-India international player Rutukunna Kulkarni along with an international certified trainer Mohit Deshpande to Goa. We conducted one coaching clinic where around 20 state level players, prospective coaches were trained by them. These two coaches are also engaged by us for our national games preparations, and they are also helping us out by providing us online guidance. They are sending their online training videos, and we are circulating these videos to all our groups and social networking platforms. And our players have kept themselves fit by watching these videos. These are very simple exercises which anybody can do from their respective homes. In the month of May, when this lockdown is likely to end, we will start with subject to government guidelines advice.
इतल्या मजगतीं बॅडमिंटन कोच शर्मद महाजनान आपलो खेळ सुदारपा खातीर लॉकडावन मोडान कशी प्रॅक्टीस करप हाची प्रात्यक्षिकां करून दाखयली.
The T zone, which is marked in pink. The second serve will hit the yellow zone, which is the center of the half court. The third serve will hit the lobby. It will reach the lobby. All these 3 points are important while serving. This drill will help you play parallel strokes and improve your reflexes and precision as well as your point of contact. To practice this, make a rectangular box of net height and try to hit parallel strokes, aiming the strokes in the rectangular zone. This will help you in doubles as well as singles in a fast rally situation. This is a simple dribble drill for those who do not know how to dribble or those who want to improve their dribble. Make sure your racket moves in a semicircle motion when you dribble. This drill will help you improve your wrist strength. Also, for those who want to practice their deception, try and hit the shuttle with your wrist. For those who are advanced players, try to use the training racket which is heavier and try to punch the shuttle with your wrist and your thumb using your backhand grip. Those who want to practice deceptive toss, you can hit the shuttle with your wrist. For those who want to learn deceptive toss, as you can see, I am hitting the shuttle with my wrist and elbow only. Very minimal use of my shoulder is made. This will improve your deceptive stroke at the back court. This drill will help you strengthen your lower body. You can put TheraBand around your ankles and do this drill. Make sure the distance between your leg is shoulder length to retain the tension of the TheraBand. You can do forward, back and side movements. These are simple lunges you can do with bottles in both the hands. Remember, 1 liter of bottle equals 1 kg of weight. Those who do not have weights can make the use of bottles. You can also do advanced lunges, the fast lunges which can be seen in the video. Then you can do spot jogging. The mixture of spot jogging and high knees can be done for 30 seconds each for 5 sets.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू.